Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you what to do if the Steam app doesn't recognize installed games in Windows 11. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to simply reinstall the games without downloading them. So what you have to do is open up the Steam application. In here make sure to click on Library, and then on the left pane select a game that you have installed on your PC but that Steam doesn't recognize. So click on it and then click on the Install button. Now the thing is that Steam will start to discover existing files for the game. And in case Steam fails to recognize any of the installed games, it will show you an option to install the game all again. But if you have the game data in the Steam apps folder, then you can force Steam to recognize the game by initiating the installation of the game. And moving on, one last solution that works properly is to add the Steam library folder manually. So let's put up a scenario. You reinstalled Windows 11 and now you also had to reinstall the Steam application. The default location for the installed games now is on the new partition, and you also have the old games on the old partition. So what you have to do is click on Steam on the top left corner, then select the settings option. Now in here make sure to click on Downloads on the left pane, and then on the right side you have the Content Libraries section. So click on the Steam Library Folders button. As you can see, this is the storage manager. So if the default library folder is now installed on this partition, that means that in the old partition you will have the old games but Steam will not recognize them. So what you have to do is click on the plus button and then make sure to choose the location for the old games, and then Steam will recognize them once again. And that was quite simple, because this is all you have to do. Now you can close all of these windows, then restart the Steam application and check if the problem still occurs. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.